Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on Bitpanda. And the first thing that you need to know is that you need to create your own account and verify your account with the information that they are asking you to do. I created 2 videos how to create an account and how to verify an account. So please check out one of those videos on my channel if you don't have any idea how to do that. And then right now I will tell you some things that you need to know, the basics to start trading. So right now we are having a real life account, and what we're gonna do from here is first of all we need to deposit money to our account. So we click here on deposit, then you click here on fiat currencies, and then select right here euros or US dollar, depends on the country where you're from. So for my country I do euros, and then we click on ideal, and then from here just fill in 100 euros. Then we select right here, go to summary, and then right here, we enable this, and then we do confirm. And then right now he's preparing our payment page, and right here in a few seconds you will find here the payment page. And now if I scan this code with my phone, I put money on my account, and that is what we needed to start trading with. I don't want to put money on this account right now. I'm just showing you how to do everything. So I go back from now, so cancel the payment. So now we go back right here to the Bitpanda page. And right now, once you put money on your account, we can start trading. So what I like to do is if I click on Bitpanda, I want to use this nice trading page. So we click on discover stocks. And now we have right here the page that I like the most. Because from here, we can create ourselves a position. So let's say we want to create ourselves a position on Bitcoin because it's now standing on red. What we're going to do from here is we click here on Bitcoin. And then right now we click here on buy, because right now we fill in the amount that we want to step in with. So we just, as an example, deposited 100 euros. So we can buy 100 Bitcoins. Now we click on 100. And then normally you can click on next because you put money on your account. For now, he's asking us to choose a payment method where we can deposit money on our account. So make a deposit. But if you go back and go back to the page where we were. So let's go back to the page where we were, Bitcoin. There we are, and then buy. And then once you fill in the amount, you click on next, and then you can create your position right there. You need at least €1 of Bitcoin to sell it or create a sell position. But that's the thing what you need to know, because otherwise the sell button is standing like this on light gray, and that's not good. So you need to have at least €1 of Bitcoin to sell it right there. If you go right into crypto, you will find all the cryptocurrencies. You also have a lot of stocks right there. And if you go to portfolio, you see right here a lot of information about your portfolio. But right now we don't have standing anything right here on our portfolio. You also see your transfer, so you can deposit cash, deposit crypto, or can withdraw cash from there. So you need to decide what you want to do if you want to do that. But these are the basic steps that you need to know for Bitpanda to trade. So if you have any questions, please comment down below so maybe I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching. These were all the basics that you need to know. Have a wonderful day and ciao.